my kayak alone?
Oh, you're very welcome.
I'm going to pepper spray you in the face.
Please don't do that.
That's what I'm going to do to you.
Ow! Seriously, you didn't have to do that.
Go away.
All right, it's payback time.
No! Get away from the kayak.
I'm going to eat your kayak.
Get away from that kayak.
No.
Come on.
Nope.
Bear.
Lady.
Bear.
Lady.
You're breaking my kayak.
Yes, I am.
Why are you doing that?
Because.
What am I going to do?
Buy a jet ski.
Stop it.
No, no,
Stop
no,
it,
no, no,
Bear.
no, no, no.
Stop breaking my kayak, please.
This is my backyard.
Darn it. Oh, why are you doing that?
Leave me alone.
Bear, please stop.
Never.
It's the end of September. Why are you here? You're supposed to be asleep.
I don't
Why
sleep.
are you here? Oh, Bear.
Lady.
Bear.
Lady.
Stop that.
Nope.
Stop that.
Nah.
Bear.
Lady.
Bear, stop that.
No, 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 no.
Bear,
I'm going to flip this kayak over now.
please stop breaking my things.
I enjoy breaking
Oh,
things.
please stop breaking my things, Bear.
I have no self-control.
It's not even food. It doesn't even taste good. It's just plastic.
I like plastic.
Bear, please stop.
No.
Please stop.
How many times can I
Please
say no?
stop that. I'm gonna bear spray you.
Put the pepper
Please
spray down.
stop.